10 to 15 minutes of attention span by using passive learning resources, not the ones that we are using right now. This is when someone is recording a video and is sharing content, okay? 10 to 15 minutes. What will happen? Plus 20%. What is this?
Forget.
Huh? To forget can be. Hopefully not, but it can be. Plus 20 minutes when people are using online interactive resources. Now, up to 70 minutes.
When you're doing something.
Yeah, when you're doing something. So 70 minutes when you are applying active methodologies, okay? When you are participating in training. And by the way, this research is from 2021, okay? It's quite recent. So, by using live active learning resource and guiding inquiry strategies, we know right now that we can have an audience engaged for more up to 70 minutes of the time, okay? Pre-engaged. But it's not about the monologue, okay? I'm going to talk about this and blah, 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 blah. No, it's about engagement. It's a conversation. Challenge respectively your audience. So we have a few resources. I bring a few resources for you to use and to have at hand. So body pooling. What is body pooling as a resource to engage the audience? I already did it. Using your body to vote. Raise your hand. Okay, by a show of fingers. Or you can also stand if it's a more informal setting. Okay? Make sure that you do these pools to engage people. What about imagination? Just imagine that it's possible to be more aware of your body language and raise the commitment of the audience. Just imagine that you can get into a new level of communication where you are better able to integrate both verbal and non-verbal skills to more effectively create an emotional bonding with the audience. Then, incident. Why can't we stay here, present? What is the main challenge today? What is my main challenge today? And vision. Where are we going? Where are we going as a team? Where are we going as a class? Where are we going as human beings? Okay? Where are we going as a nation? Where are we going as a community of practice? Okay? 3 steps. So first, vulnerability, then incident, and then vision. I'm going to show you a video where Michelle Obama did creative leaders bullying right now. So the question for you is this. An analysis of 29 speeches to the nation from Jordan to Trump revealed that US presidents use on average 152 gestures. How many gestures did Trump use in his 70-minute speech to the nation? So we have 4 options here, A, B, C, or D. So who votes on option A? By a raise of hands. B. 1. C. Most of you. And D. Yes, right answer is D. And make sure that they are using it because they know what they are doing. They know gestures are quite important to engage and to connect with the audience. And why do we know this? Because we are doing research. What is this strange looking fellow? Yes?
That's all your nerve collections.
Yes. This is the human homunculus. Okay? So it's the way your brain sees your body. Is the way your brain sees your body. Just look at the size of the hands. You may use your hands to influence people than ever before. We know this. Neurophysiology, neuropsychology. And we also know that leaders who use gestures effectively are perceived as charismatic. We also know, by the way, this was the basis of my PhD, that there are behaviors that leaders use that take out the best of people, which are powerful and immediate behaviors. What are powerful immediate behaviors? I'm going to show you in a second. So, what did we find? We find that we have specific behaviors as leaders we can use to bring more immediacy and personal power into the spot to take the best of people. So what are the behaviors or the main behaviors which are connected with immediacy? Smiles. Can you smile for me? Thank you very much. Nods. Nodding. It's amazing because when you nod, you take the best of me. Also nodding. So nodding is also important not only in live sessions, but in online sessions. Where your face is this big. On a little rectangle, nod. To know that other people knows what you are talking about. It's not that you are agreeing, but you are understanding. Okay? Active listening. Then, body fronting. If I have a question from this side, I turn to this side. I'm not answering like this. Yes, yes, sir. Please tell me. Yes. No, I'm not there. You feel that I'm not there. Look into the person, okay? All of your body. Give yourself to the other. So these are the clusters of, or the immediate behaviors that we found are connected with immediacy, okay, proximity. What about personal power, dynamic and gestures? What gestures? Oh, there's a lot of gestures, but when you want to open application, how do you do it? Welcome or welcome. Try it. Welcome. Try it with your hands. And welcome. This well. Welcome. Like this. Oh, welcome. Welcome. Embrace the audience. Okay? It's not enough to say welcome. It's welcome. Step forward, welcome. Then you have gestures that are connected with confidence, like this one, the steepling. You can do it along the way. Please do it. Like this one. Or grabbing the ball. Grabbing the ball is good because you can create, you can polarize. So one hand you have non-verbals, on the other hand you have verbal language. So what is the name of the game is to integrate both sides of the coin to go for the next level. So I'm using illustrators. Okay? Along the way, along with the narrative, I'm using illustrators. Okay? To bring the best of me and also you. Then speaks fast and loud. Bring contrast into your voice. So you have three variables: speed, volume, and tone. Create contrast. What is the right tone or the right voice to use while you are facilitating a training?